So good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about how to draw hands of a clock to show given time. That is the thing we are going to discuss today. So you have learned in the last class for the given minutes how to find out the position of the minute hand.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, dear. So if it is 5 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand?
1.
1. How we will check?
1.
What into 5 that we get?
1 into 5.
1
into 5.
Here, so 1 into 5. So we can write the position of minute hand will be on 1.
1.
If it is 10, 2 into 5 only 10. So the position of minute hand will be on 2. 2. 2. Position of minute hand will be on 2 because 2 into 5 we get 10. That if the minute hand, if that is 30 minutes, if it is 30 minutes, 6 into 5 equal to 30. So the minute hand's position will be on 6. Like that we can find the position of minute hand. If it is 35, where will be the position of minute hand? 35. 7. 7 into 5 only you will get 35. Okay. Yes. Now, how we will find the position of our hand? Okay, that is the thing we have to learn today. My dear children, one easy tip is there to find out the position of our hand. To find the position of our hand, you have to check the minutes, the given minutes. Okay, for a time, hours will be there, minutes will be there. So you have to check the minute portion. If it is 1 to 30, if it is 1 to 30, that means from the first half, 1 to 30, you have to draw the hour hand between the given hour and the next hour, and it should be closer to the given hour. Be between given hour and next hour, and it should draw closer to the given hour. Okay, I will show you problems, then it will be more clear to you. If it is,
Ma'am, I did not understand.
yes, I will draw and show you, then you will understand. Now, for the time being, you listen. Okay, and if the minutes are above 30 to 60, you have to draw the hour hand closer to the next hour. That means if it is 2:45 is given, the given time is 2:45, you have to draw the hour hand near to 3. Near to 3. Because 45 is greater than 30. Like that, if it is 2:15, you have to draw the hour hand between 2 and 3, but closer to 2. We can see a few questions, then it will be more clear to you. For example, if you want to draw 9 o'clock, it's all of you knows that. How you will draw. Exactly, you can draw towards 9. Every time when you're drawing hour hand, you should draw short hand, means shorter length, and the minute hand should be longer one. Now, if you want to draw 9:15, if you want to draw 9:15, how you will draw? It is 15 minutes here. So where will be the position of minute hand?
3.
On 3. Because 3 into 5 only you will get 15. So on 3. And if it is 15 minutes, it is less than 30. Isn't it?
Yes.
Then the minute hand should draw closer to 9. In between 9 and 10, but closer to 9. Like this. Closer to 9. Between 9 and 10, but closer to 9. should
Ma'am,
be
I
near
joined the
to
class
9.
later.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I joined the class later.
Just now we
He
started here. We are
network.
discussing about the how to draw hands of a clock for the given time. Once again, I am repeating. Minute hand, you already knows how to find the position. To find the position of hour hand, you have to check the minutes. If it is between 1 to 30, you can draw closer to the given hour. Between the given hour and the next hour and closer to the given hour. Here, you can draw close to 9. If it is above 30, you have to draw close to the next hour. For example, if it is 4:45, 45 means it will be, where will be the position of minute hand?
9.
On 9, because 9 into 5, we get 45. So position of minute hand will be on 9. So you can draw on 9, minute hand. 45, it is above 30. 45 is above 30. So when you draw hour hand, you should draw the hour hand closer to the next hour. After 4, what is the next hour?
5.
5. So you should draw.
Ma'am, I understand.
Yes. You should draw closer to 5. Not exactly to.
Understand.
Okay. You don't draw exactly to 5. You can draw close.
Ma'am, I understand.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Let me explain once more. So, if the minutes are between 0 and 30, you can draw the hour and closer to the given hour. If it is above 30, you can draw the hour hand closer to the next hour. And if it is on 30, you can draw almost middle. If it is 3:30, you can draw the hour hand will be on 6. And the minute hand will be almost in between the 3 and 4. Almost middle you can draw, no problem. Like this, we have to find the position of minute hand. Once again, minute hand's position, you have to check what into 5 you will get that number that you have already learned in the last class. What into 5 you get that minute. Then the position of hour hand, to find the position of hour hand, you have to check the minutes. If it is between 0 and 30, you can draw close to the given hour. If it is above 30 to 60, you can draw near to the next hour, close to the next hour. If it is 3, next to 4, closer to 4, close to 4. If it is 5 hours, close to 6, like that, close to the next hour. If it is on 30, almost in the middle you can draw. Okay, are you all ready to draw? Have you all understood now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we can do few questions.
Yes.
Take your workbook, page number 10. Take your workbook, page number 10. Okay, Sain, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Question number 17.
Ma'am. Question 17.
Yes, read.
Show the time as 1:30 on the clock.
What is the time 1:30, dear? 1:30. 1/2 means how many minutes?
Half.
How many minutes in numbers? Who can say 1/2 means how many minutes? Yes, those who know can unmute.
Ma'am, can I? 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yes. I understood, many of you knows, very good. So 1/2 means 30 minutes. Here 1 hour. So 1 hour, 30 minutes. So 1 means the time is 1:30. You have to draw 1:30 on this clock. So saying, where will be the position of minute hand? If it is 30 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand?
Ma'am, on the 6.
On 6. So you can draw, all of you can do along with me. You can draw a long hand on 6. And 1:30, the hours are 1. So where should be the position of minute hand? Where should be the position of minute hand here?
Ma'am,
sorry, hour hand. Where should be the position of hour hand?
In the 1 o'clock.
Exactly
1.
on 1? Exactly on 1?
No, in the middle of 1.
Middle of 1 and 2. The middle of
1 and
2. Okay. Should draw as middle as 1 and 2. Okay. Thank you, dear. Next, Amren, next question. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Then can draw now. Next question. 3:45. 3:45 means what is the time? Quarter
to 4.
4:45. How many minutes?
Quarter to how many minutes?
How many minutes?
20 minutes.
No. When we will say quarter to?
Quarter to in 9.
The hour hands, minute hands position will be on 9. How many minutes it is?
45 minutes.
Very good. It's 45 minutes. And what should be the hour? It is 3:45. Quarter more minutes to 4. So what will be the hour?
Hour 4.
Quarter more minutes to become 4 o'clock. So
how many hours?
What will be the hours?
5.
No, dear. Quarter more minutes to become 4 o'clock. That means 15 more minutes to become 4 o'clock. So,
yes, ma'am.
What will be the hour now? 3. 3. So, minute hand, it is 45 minutes. So, you can draw the minute hand on 9, on 2 9. And what will be the position of our hand? It is here.
4.
Sorry? Correct.
3
Between is it will be between, not between.
3 and 4 middle.
No.
Middle?
No. It should be closer to the next hour because it is 45 minutes, above 30. It is above 30. The minutes are above 30. So you should draw closer to the next hour. Here 45 minutes. So it is above 30. So you have to draw the hour hand closer to the next hour. That means here it is 3 now. So you can draw close to, not exactly to 4, close to 4. Okay. You can draw close to 4. All of you drew? And when you draw the hour hand, you should draw shorter than minute hand. Okay, Dan, next question. Unmute. Yes. 2:15.
Ma'am, 2:15.
15 minutes. Where should be the position of minute hand? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So where should be the position of minute hand?
Ma'am, in 3.
Near to, on to 3. Exactly to 3. Okay.
3.
Now, it is 15 minutes. So where should be the minute position of our hand?
Hour.
Is below 30. Below 30. So you can draw the hour hand closer to the given hour. So, closer to the given hour. Between
3.
given hour is it 3?
2.
So between 2 and 3, but close to 2. It's
2.
Close to 2,
2.
not close to 2, but not exactly to 2. Closer to the given number, given hour. So you can draw close to 2.
2.
If it is below 30, you can draw close to the given hour. Here given hour is 2, so you can draw close to 2. If it is above 30, you can draw close to the next hour. Above 30 means 45 or 50, 55, you can draw close to the next hour. If the given hour is 2, you can draw close to 3, like that. Okay, now Muhammad Hassan, please unmute. Next question.
5:30.
Which the position of minute hand will be on?
6.
Because 6 into 5, we get 30. So position of minute hand will be on 6. Long hand will be on 6. And short hand, our hand will be?
5 and 6.
Between 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
And almost, if it at 30 minutes, you can draw almost in the middle. At 30 minutes, you can draw almost in the middle. If it is below 30, close to the given hour. If it is above 30, close to the next hour. Okay. Next question, Bhagya, please turn on your video. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
145. So
145.
San, please mute your audio.
Sir, please mute your audio.
San, mute your.
Yes, sir, muted.
Bhagya, it is echoing like anything. So I'll give you later chance. Okay. Now, Rahul, please unmute. Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
145. So 45 minutes. Where should be the position of minute hand?
Ma'am, 9.
Yes, on 9. Because 9 into 5 we get 45. So to 9 you can draw the minute hand. And it's 145. It is, the minutes are above 30. So where you should draw the hour hand? Above 30. The minute hand is near to the next hours. No, dear. No, if it is above 30, you have to draw closer to the next hour. Not in the middle.
2.
Closer to 2.
2.
Closer to 2. Not exactly to 2. It is close to 2, not exactly to 2. So, if the hour minutes are above 30, you can draw the hour hand closer to the next hour. If the hours are below 30, you can draw the hour hand closer to the given hour. Please keep in mind. Now, Rahul can mute your audio. Veda, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is 8:15. How you will draw 8:15?
Near to 8.
Near to 8. The minute hand, the hour hand will be close to 8. That means in between 8 and 9, but close to 8. Between 8 and 9, but close to 8. Where will be the position of minute hand?
3.
Yes, very good, very good. Because 3 into 5, we get 15. So the minute hand's position will be on 3.
3.
Okay. So, hope you have understood this one. Have you all? Have you all? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to discuss one more thing about in this chapter, last and final thing, how to find duration of an event. Suppose you just started your playing at 8 o'clock and you stop your playing at 9 o'clock. What is the duration? How many time you play, or what is the time interval between in this timing? For that, what you want to do is, you have to subtract end time and start time. That means end time minus start time. You started at 8 o'clock, so that is the starting time, and ended at 9 o'clock, that is the end time. So 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, what you will get? 9 minus 8? 1. So 1 hour.
1
hour you played. So to get duration of an event, you have to subtract end time minus start time. What is the thing you have to do? End time minus start time. And when you subtract, you have to do like this. I'll show you. See, so duration of an event equal to end time minus start time. Okay. Now, if it is end time is 9:30 and start time is 9, how we will subtract this? First, you have to write hours. First one, this 9 is hours, thus 9 is hours. So, hours and minutes. You have to write like that. And in the first end time, 9 hours, 30 minutes. In the start time, 9 hours, 00 minutes. And you have to subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0. Normal subtraction. You have to start from the minutes. 9 minus 9, 0. So how many? 30 minutes. Minutes. We got 30 minutes. Very easy. Okay. So all of you open your workbook. We can do question number 21. Casina, please read question number 21. And Mayor?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
The English class starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 9:30. The science class starts at 9:30 and ends at 10 o'clock.
No need to say 10 o'clock, dear. You can say at 10. No minutes. So you can say at 10. Okay.
At 10. How long were both classes?
Individually. So you have to find the length of the class. English class and science class. So first we can do English class. All of you, you can write along with me. English class. All of you give the heading. English class. What is the start time of English class?
9.
9. So you can write 9. And what is the end time? Yes, END. What is the end time, dear children?
9:30.
9:30. Yes, end time. Wait, my dear children. So start time. Start time is 9 and end time is 9:30, and you have to find the length of English class. Length of the English class. Length of English class. You have to subtract the end time minus start time. End time minus start time. End time minus start time. Here end time is 9:30 minus start time is 9. So we can subtract here. You can subtract the side. Otherwise, you can take your rough book. You can write hours, minutes. So first one is 9:30 minus second one is end time, start time is 9. You have to start the subtraction from minutes. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0. What is 3 minus 0? What is 3 minus 0?
3.
3. Yes. 3. 3 minus 0 is
3.
3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Wait. Okay. Please mute your audios, my dear children, others.
Ma'am, we mean to subtract.
Yes. And 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 9 minus 9.
Ma'am, we should subtract the.
Sorry?
We should, ma'am, we should subtracting the workbook.
Yes, but I don't know whether there will be space or what. If you have space, you can do the subtraction in the workbook. No problem. Because you have to write one for one more class also.
Okay, ma'am.
30 minutes. So the answer is 30 minutes. And you have to write science class also. But science class we will do last because there is some difference in that. So for science class, let it be there. We can do it either today or in the next class. Science class, let it be there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can do the next problem. Have you all done this much?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll give. Wait. I will give few more minutes. Science class, you should keep space for science class that we will do in the next class. Please don't use this full space over there because you have to find the length of science class also. For that little bit difference is there. That's why I'm not doing now. The last we can do it. Okay. I hope you all have done because only this much. Now, next question. Please turn the page and Abdel, unmute. Abdel, unmute dear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn the page and next question.
Long answer question. The following table gives the start and end time of a few hours activity. Find the duration of each activity.
Yes. See, here it is given start time, end time. Start time, end time. Start time, end time. For tennis practice, start time is given, end time is given. For lunch, start time is given, end time is given. For playing chess, start time is given, end time is given. We have to find duration of each Afzal's activity. So first one we can do together, dear. So all of you can write tennis practice as heading. Tennis practice. Tennis practice. Abdel, what is the start time of tennis practice? Abdel? Muted. My dear, unmute. Unmute, dear. What is the start time of tennis? Sorry?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What is the start time
Yes,
of?
that
What is the
8
time?
o'clock.
Yes, 8.
8 o'clock.
It's 8, yes. And what is the end time? What is the end time? In figures you can write. The hours are, and is between 8 and 9. So how many hours? The hour and is between 8 and 9. So how many hours? Sorry?
30.
Hour hand is between 8 and 9. So how many hours? 8 or 9?
9 hours.
No, dear. If it is between 8 and 9, which hour is already passed, that you have to say first. So 8 hours. Okay. If it is between 8 and 9, you have to say 8 hours. How many minutes? The minute hand is on 6. So how many minutes? 6 into 5.
6, 5, 7, 30.
30. So 8:30 is the end time. All of you find out the duration. Duration of tennis practice. You have to do these 3 questions. So do accordingly. Adjust and do. Duration of tennis practice equal to 8. It is end time minus start time. So end time is 8:30 and start time is 8 o'clock. So 8:30 minus 8. You can write hours, minutes, 8:30, 8 o'clock. Start subtraction and find out the answer. How many minutes you got, Abdel?
Ma'am, not finished.
Sorry?
Not finished.
Okay. Yes, Amrin completed. Very good. Ryan Harris, have you completed? Have you done?
Ma'am?
Have you done the subtraction? Yes or no? Have you done the subtraction?
2:15.
You got 2:15. Have you got
Ma'am,
here?
I can't hear you.
Here, have you subtracted this question? This one. Have you done the subtraction?
I can't hear you. Ma'am, 30 minutes. 30
Very good,
minutes.
very good, very good, very good. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 0, 0. So, it's
3.
30 minutes. Very good. 30 minutes. Now, Bendik, please unmute for the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, I can't show the board because, but I hope you all have your book with you. Okay, Dev, have you done? Have you done, dear, the previous question? Okay. So, Abdel, start time for the next is lunch.
Lunch.
What is the start time?
Ma'am, 2:50.
Start time is 2:15.
2:15.
Okay. End time?
Ma'am, last question my is not completed.
Sorry?
Ma'am, my last question is not completed.
Last question
I have
means?
that sentence duration of parietes is not completed.
10 is practice. You can complete it now. Now, how you find the duration of the lunch time? Duration of lunch time. What do you want to do? We have to subtract. What do you have to do? Dev, what do you have to do to find out duration of lunch time?
Starting time. Starting time and end time.
Let Dev say. Not starting time and end time. Dev can say.
Ma'am, which is the worst thing?
What you have to do to find out duration of lunch time?
Ma'am, 2:15.
2:50.
Ma'am, 2:15.
What do you have to do?
Ma'am, we have to subtract.
We have to subtract end time minus start time. Here end time is 2:50 and start time is 2:15. Then hours, minutes. Here, time is up 2:15. Here, when you subtract the minutes, you have to 4, 10. Because 0 minus 5, we can't subtract. So you have to borrow. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So how many minutes? How many minutes, my dear children?
35.
35 minutes. Try to do the next question as homework. Same way, playing chess. Very easy. No borrowing, nothing. Will you do the last question as homework?
Yes. Yes.
That means
Yes.
playing chess.
Yes, ma'am.
Now itself sit and do.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will send the answer in the WhatsApp. And only one question remaining that I will send in the, we can do in the next class. Okay?
There is no
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
there is test today.
No, today no test. Only tomorrow. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.